everyone, Jillian from Jillian Vance Design here, and today I'm going to be showing you all the pieces you need to cut for our craft along if you purchased the kit for the January 23rd one-of-a-kind virtual event. So let's just get into it. So first I'm going to show you guys what comes in the bundle so that if you guys are still interested, this is available. Make sure you order it if you're interested so that you can get it on time. And you're going to receive the mini spring mix die set. This has a lot of fun little foliage and some leaves and flowers. This is a really fun one, and they're very dainty and delicate and adorable, so love that one. And then you're going to get the Slimline heart windows and words. You're also going to get a Just Glue It glue. And we didn't include any of the cover plates in here, but if you're interested in adding a cover plate, you can add the mini hearts A2 size, the stitch dot plaid slimline, the polka dot slimline, or the checkerboard slimline, and those will also have free shipping. So your whole order will be shipped free to you. So another thing I want to say is if you have our Slimline Essentials die set, you can go ahead and cut out the biggest size of the Slimline for your card. If you don't, it is 8.5 by 3.5. Those are the dimensions to cut. Of course, you won't have the stitch dot, but it gives the same effect. So here are just a couple examples of what we're going to make. So these are all kind of similar, other than the color of the cover plate, or the design of the cover plate, I'm sorry. So this one is the stitch plaid. This one is the polka dot. This one is the checkerboard. So those are really fun, and of course you guys, we do the bundle so you can make your own color schemes, decide what you want to put on there. You know, it's all up to you. So we'll be playing around with a couple of different things, but I think we're only making one card because of time constraints, but I just wanted to show a couple different versions. So what you want to cut is, you're going to want your heart, window, and words. Like I just said, any color, anything goes. I just use pink. And then you're going to want, and then I also did a white version. And then you can do your cover plate. So whichever cover plate that you choose. I did the stitch plaid, and then I also did a version with the A2 size hearts, which is what we'll also be showing you how to work with that with the slimline. So you're going to want those. So those are your base pieces. And then you're going to want to cut out just a bunch of various little flowers and leaves with your mini spring mix. So we kind of have some mixed in here, just a lot of different colors and fun things, and you know, it's all up to you which ones you want to use and what you want to do with it. So if you know, would prefer to have all of the closed in foliage right here, you can do that. If you want all of this certain flower, you can do that as well. It's all up to you. And so we just have these in a little takeout container, and then you can kind of sift through it and just figure out what you want, what matches your color scheme. So that's really fun. And then I also have this one that I didn't poke out all of them. So there's that. And then of course you want to cut the love, which is going to come from the Slimline heart. And if you wanted, you could do hope or faith, or if you had another word die that you thought would fit nicely in there, that's fine too. This is all up to you. You can do whatever. We want your creativity to shine through for this. So that's all you need to cut, and I hope to see you guys on Saturday, January 23rd, 2021 in the one-of-a-kind scrapbook virtual event, which you can find on Facebook, and I will link it here in the bio. So thank you guys so much. Once again, this kit is still available for purchase. Make sure you get your hands on it if you want it so that it can get to you in time. So I will see you guys then. Bye!